Hello.
G'day.
Xin chào.
Sawadi.
Salam alaikum.
Ni hao.
Kamusta?
Kia ora.
Welcome to
APLEC.
APLEC. My name's Philippe and I work for the district of ANZ PPNG. For the last 9 years I've been passionate about young people and those supporting young people.
I'm Roxanne. I'm an educator at Oak Hill College and the coordinator of the Lasallian ministry.
And together, alongside a team of us, we're part of the APLEC organising committee, ready to welcome you to 3 days of engagement and collaboration and ownership of the Lasallian mission.
Welcome to this beautiful location where APLEC will be held, the Australian Catholic University. De La Salle has strong ties to this place as it's one of the 7 religious founding orders. This place will act as a gateway for professional development and formation.
What will make APLEC phenomenal isn't the place, which is absolutely beautiful, but it's actually the people. Chance to network post-COVID with people from over 14 countries from all across the Park region. It's a chance for people who are passionate about young people and supporting them in their flourishing, from primary schools to high schools to universities to social services, everyone part of the Lasallian family to come together, to collaborate, to engage and empower each other to take ownership of the mission back in their communities.
Welcome to Mary McKillop Place in North Sydney, where we'll be having our shared conference spaces and accommodation. This place is really important to us Aussies, as Mary McKillop is our first Australian saint, a similar charism to De La Salle, where education was her mission for the last, the lost and the least.